No one really knows whether we were born with an instinctive fear of the dark or we acquired it gradually as a result of the myriad awful dangers that emerged after night fell. For the night was also the realm of the criminal, the vandal, the thief, the murderer. Let me take you through the journey of one of the greatest inventions, the light bulb. For before artificial lighting, indoors was just as treacherous as outdoors. It was common practice to push the furniture against the wall before retiring to bed so you wouldn't bump into it if you rose in the middle of the night. Man had advanced by the late 18th century from the first flaming torches through primitive lights, made as long as 15,000 years ago by placing moss or some other fiber in a shell or hollow stone and filling it with animal fat, to on the continent at least, handsome pottery and metal oil lamps sporting sophisticated wicks and artfully sealed reservoirs filled with olive, sesame, fish, nut, or plant oil. How long can someone use the candles, the lanterns? How will the nightlife be enjoyed by the people? Then came this great man, Thomas Edison. Just after the invention of night bulb, people could actually go out and talk to other people, socialize, and actually enjoy their nightlife. Students could stay up late and study, people felt safe in their houses, and work could long last. And then the bulb was modified, and that's how we all sleep in our houses peacefully and safely without the fear of the darkness.
हे द्यूत कुशल कपटी शकुनी के पुत्र, तुमने संदेश देकर अपने कर्तव्य का पालन कर लिया और हमने सुनकर अपने कर्तव्य का। अब तुम जाओ और जाकर गांधारी नंदन से कहो कि हे दुर्योधन, तुम क्षत्रिय की भांति जी तो नहीं सके, किंतु अब क्षत्रिय की भांति वीर गति को प्राप्त होने का प्रयत्न तो करो, क्योंकि क्षत्रिय की भांति स्वयं अपने मृत्यु को गले लगाना सरल नहीं, बड़ा कठिन कार्य है।
और वासुदेव कृष्ण कह रहे हैं, हे गांधारी नंदन, तुम क्षत्रिय की भांति जी तो नहीं सके, किंतु क्षत्रिय की भांति वीर गति को प्राप्त होने का प्रयत्न करो।
बस करो संजय, बस करो।
Wow, what a great invention was done in the era of Mahabharata, that Sanjay could see and hear all of the things that was going on in the war and could narrate it to Dhritarashtra, even though both of them were not physically present at the war place. But I have a doubt in it, that is it even possible to do something like that? I have to research about it. It would take some time. Oh, I've literally forgot and was in such a deep thought that it's night now. But hey, I got something. Like the moon reflects the light of the sun and transmit it on different places on earth. Like it, I could also think of a device which would transmit radio and picture signals and which could be received by another device at different places on earth by the people. Yes, I think it is a great idea. So I should work on it. Now I have made the device and it is known as television. At last, I would like to say that anything you think is possible, then only you think it.